Hi, I'm Shivakshi Gupta, and I'm here to talk about my experience about the foundation course of 3D bioprinting, which was offered by Next Big Innovation Labs. So, this course was overall extremely informative and very amazing. And I am from a biotechnology background, so I was familiar with the cells and the culture part of the whole bioprinting. But I wanted to explore more about how to design, like which softwares to use, and what are the various biomaterials which are good enough for cells to survive in it, as well as giving the functionality. And I wanted to learn more about the cross linking because again it is very essential. And again, the last part of the module, which was unexpected but very good, was career prospects in two different ways, like professional field and academic path, whichever you want to pick. There are two experts talking about those two separately.
This foundation course offered by NBIL is well suited for anyone who wants to learn about the fundamentals of 3D bioprinting. The course structure has been put together very well and covers areas such as the types of 3D bioprinting, bioinks that are currently being used, and also talks about applications of the 3D bioprinted tissues. Case studies and assignments at the end of each module further reinforces what has been taught and engages one to discover more.
It is from the basic level. If you have no idea about bioprinting, you just read it at random places and wanna learn more about it, I'll surely recommend this course for you. And if you have already gained some experience, you have some theoretical knowledge about it, then good. First two modules will be again a revision, and from the third and fourth modules, you will start learning so much more, and it is very good experience. And if there is another course, I would like to take it, and I will surely recommend all those people who are enthusiastic about 3D bioprinting should surely take this course.
I would definitely recommend this course for anyone who wants to quickly gain insight into 3D bioprinting. Looking forward to more learning from NBIL team. Thank you.